What's up, guys? Zach here at Dark Hills European Mounts once again. Got a cool little project today. I got a little deer, and we're gonna do a hydrodip for a customer. Stay tuned. Follow me on this journey. All right. First things first. A little backstory on this guy. So the customer brought it to me. He had it cleaned up by a different company, and they left a lot of stuff on him. So he brought it to me so I could clean it up for him. And this is for his niece, and she wants it pink, white, and black colors, hydro-dipped. First thing you got to do is put a base coat on it. What the base coat does is it helps the paint stick to the skull. If you don't have a base coat on there, the paint's not going to stick. It's going to be super blotchy and stuff. So always want to put a base coat on your deer or skull, anything that you're hydro dipping. And yeah, put a base coat on before you dip. Let's get that base coat on, but first, what do? Gotta shake that paint, y'all. Shake and paint. All right, next. Couple things you need for a hydro dip. Obviously a mask of some sort, so you're not breathing in the fumes. Pair of gloves. A little piece of wire or something, or even a stick will work. This is for after you spray the paint. Put little designs in the paint. Then after you dip it, you want a little piece of cardboard. Swish that paint around, get it out of the way before you pull that thing out for the final product. And obviously paint and a skull. Let's get the base coat on here. Yep, forgot to mention it. Always wrap those antlers. And then after you get them wrapped, plastic wrap, a little bit of electrical tape, super tight. You don't want to get paint on them antlers. Then when you're doing a base coat, cover the rest of them. You don't want to get overspray on those things. So we're all set. I'm going to get these covered up. We're going to put a base coat on. Got our skull nice and dry. Next part is the hydro dip. So you're going to need a bucket or some sort of container with water, full of water, and then your paint. And what you're going to do is you're going to spray your paint in the center and alternate your colors. Just alternate. You're probably going to end up spraying at least a quarter can, if not more, of each color. And then I will zoom this in so you can see the hydro dip in action. Stay tuned. Alright, we've got the paint in there. Now we're gonna take the little wire and just kind of do a little design in there. Just swish the paint around a little bit. Just kind of makes cool designs in it. And when you're dipping these things, you want to go super slow. Slower the better, because if you go really fast, that paint is not going to have time to stick. Let's do it. Nice and slow. Super slow. Once you get it fully submerged, take a piece of cardboard, swish the excess out of the way. Boy, I do not have a lot of room here. Should have got a bigger bucket. Anyway, swish it away. Big reveal. Pretty cool. Set it up to dry. Alright, before the big reveal, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching the video, sticking around. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, like the video, and leave a comment. I read all of them, and I will get back to every comment. I really appreciate it. Full disclosure, I did end up re-hydrodipping this skull. I did not like how it turned out the first dip. So, I mean, that's the joy of spray paint hydro dips. If you don't like how it turns out, you can always re-dip it. So, once again, appreciate y'all. Appreciate you watching. And hope you enjoyed. Be good to each other. Do cool things.